Hey there, I'm glad you're here because today I'm going to be installing an antivirus from Kaspersky into my Kali Linux machine. Now I use Kali Linux and other Linux machines all the time, so having a good tool for antivirus is important. I'm going to go through download, install, running, and then cleaning. You will notice that I've actually done some edits, so through some of the waiting screens, I've actually zipped through it. That's okay, just know that the whole process from download to install to run and clean up was about 10 minutes, and that's pretty good, I think. All right, let's get right to the video. First off, you're going to go to Kaspersky's website and you're going to download the antivirus tool. Download it wherever you want. Navigate to where you've downloaded, and we're going to actually turn this file into an executable with a command that you can see on the screen right here. After it's an executable, we need to actually run that executable, and we're going to do it just like this. And from here, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to, if you want, allow the end user license agreement, and you're just going to run it, and it's going to go through, it's going to scan, and bingo bango, I mean, it's right there. As you can see here, it actually found some malicious things potentially on my Linux machine. I'm going to go ahead and set these to delete, and then it's going to disinfect the computer. Now this part was a little bit longer, so I actually fast forwarded through it. And then once it's finished, it is going to tell you to reboot the machine. And whenever I do some kind of change on my machine, I like to create a snapshot so that I know that I've got a very clean state to revert back to in case of whatever happens. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.